Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Empower app review in order to see if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about the Empower app, it offers a robust personal finance tools for free things like net worth tracking, budgeting, investment performance, and a linked dashboard for your account. For people wanting comprehensive visibility into their money and investment, it's a solid option. On the downside, users frequently report account syncing issues, limited customization, especially with asset allocation, and high fee if you upgrade to its wealth management style. Also, customer support is often cited as weak. So, if you were comfortable with free finance tracking and you don't need ultra custom investment tools, the Empower app is worth using. But if you need perfect syncing, advanced customization, or top type support, you might want to compare other alternatives first. And that's it. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.